the site's cutest foreman, our Labrador on duty. Helmet on, vest bright, blueprints in mouth, he's all business. He struts, studies, and wins hearts. Realistic, adorable, 4K fur.
Did he just honk?
Built for interactive play and learning, safe for children, durable, easy to clean, portable size, realistic design, big charm, and a small package. Warm laughs meet hands-on learning. Perfect for families, pet lovers, and future builders.